Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today to simplify some exponent. For example, this one, my dear student, let us do it. This one, it is x with negative 2 and x with negative 3. So what inside parentheses? We have the same base, so we just add the powers here. It is negative 2 and negative 3. Clearly it is negative 5. This is the first step. So x with negative 5. Yes, and don't miss this. If you have power over power like this one, my dear student, just multiply 4 by negative 5. Okay, so the answer will be x with negative 20. Are you happy? Let's move to the next one here, number 2. Okay, it is we have power over power. That means we have to multiply, and the base is x, so x with power negative 12. And we continue multiply 2 with power x with power 4. This is the first step. I break the parentheses. Yes, and I get this one. Now actually I have x with power negative 12 and x with power 4. The power we add for the same base. So it is negative 8. Yes, so it is equal x with negative 8. What about the coefficient, my dear student, here? Yes, we keep it. So this is the answer. But remember that if I have a power with negative, we have to write it as a positive. Yes, it is 2x with negative 8. So we draw a line like this one. And we cut this. I'll put it down. Okay, my dear student. It will be x with negative. Okay. Let me raise it up a little bit here. Okay. And it is not working now, which is good. Oh, thank you. And the positive and the negative will be positive. This is the answer. Sorry for interrupting you. Let's move to number 3 here. As we said, this is 3 and 3 power with the power, so it is n with power 9. Multiply 2 with n with negative 1. Yes, the coefficient, we move it at the front. It has no coefficient, another coefficient to multiply, and the power here negative. Sorry, we have negative. Okay. It is a crazy device. Yes, it is negative 1 and negative and 9. So the answer will be 8. Yes, the answer will be 8. Let me write it. It is not an 8. Yes, it is 8. We're done. Are you happy? I hope so. Here we break. See, it is very important. This 2 will visit the power of the v, which is 1, and the power of the 2, which be 1. So it will be 2 with power 2 and v with power 2 also. Multiply by 2v square. This one, it is a number with a power number, so it is 4. I know it. And this one, this is coefficient, yes? Multiply them and finish them, so it is 8. I'm done from this. Now I have the same base and I have a power, so it is v with power 4. We're done. Okay, let's move to the next. Now number 5. Regarding to this fraction, the first step I will write the question. It is 2x squared y with power 4 multiply 4 x square y with power 4 multiply 3x. All of them over 3x with power negative 3 and y with power 2. The first step, my dear student, I pick or take the x with power negative 3 up. All the letters or the variables, I raise them up, but under one condition, change the sign of the power. The negative will be positive, okay? So this will be 3 instead of negative 3. And also the y with power 2. I put it here. And it will be negative 2. Okay? Now, what's about the 3? You keep the 3 down. It is coefficient, not a variable with power. Now the x is together. Here, the x with power 2. And the x with power 2, and the x with power 1, and the x with power 3. That means I have to add 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, and this is equal 8. So regarding to x with power 8. I'm done from the x's. Yes, I'm done from the x's. Now the y's. This with this with this, and remember this is negative. Okay, now 4 plus 4 8, negative 2 6. So y with negative 6 with plus 6, sorry, not negative 6, y with power 6. Okay, we're done from this. What left, my dear student? The coefficient, and the coefficient we just multiply it together. 2 multiply 4 equal 8. Multiply 3 equal 24. 24, yes. Here I have 24. And 24 divided by 3 equal 8. We're done. And by the way, see here. I can eliminate the same number up with down, okay? So 2 multiply 4 equal 8. We're done. Or you can do what you like. So it will be 24 over 3 equal 8. It is up to you. Okay, let us do next. It is number 6. It is 2y with power 3 multiply 3x y with power 3, and down we have 3x square y with power 4. As we learned, we take this. We take this up, and under condition we change the sign. And the letters with the powers, I take it up and I change the power. It is what it was negative 4, it will be negative 4. Now the x is together. This is x and this is x. Here the power is 1 and here is negative 2. So the answer for the x is, it is x with power negative 1. Multiply. We're done from the x's. You have to do step by step. Don't be in a hurry. So this is with this one, this one, the y's. I have 3, 3, and negative 4. So it is y with power 2. We're done. Now what left? The coefficient. I said if you have the same number up and down, erase them. What left? 2. Up or down? Up. So I write it like this. If down, I draw like this and do like this. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, this is question number 6, by the way. Now 7. I will write it again, my dear student. It is x cube y cube x cube over 4 with power x2. Okay, regarding to question number 7, my dear student, by the way, the answer was 2y square. Yes, x with power -1. You have to write this one. You have to do like this to complete this question, and put this one here. Why? Because it is a negative power, so you put it down. Forgive me, my dear student. Okay, now we are here, my dear student.